Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off your birthday on Facebook. Facebook notifies all your friends of your whatever the reason. Stopping the notification to your friends feed is a simple process. In this video I will show you how to do it on mobile app. Open the Facebook app. You will start the process by this time by launching the Facebook app on your Facebook app. The first page you see in your news feed, tap on your profile picture. From here, tap on see your about info. From here, under the basic info, find your birth date and tap edit button next of it. Here, expand the privacy setting menu next to your birthday to reveal the privacy menu. And select only me. You may have to tap on more options if the option isn't displayed. Here you will find 4 options: public, friends, only me, close friends. If you set on public, everyone will know about your birth date. Your friends will know your birth date. And if you tap on only me, then nobody can know about your birth date. So on your close friends too. Select only me to hide your birth date on Facebook, and also tap on the birth year. Here you will also find the 4 option. Select only me and tap on save. Then your birthday will disappear to anyone. Friends, by this way you can hide your birth date notification on mobile. That was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.